In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel number format. So let us start with the cells that are giving you trouble. Look at your worksheet and drag to select the cells with the wrong number format. You can click and hold your mouse to highlight a range, or use Ctrl and click to pick separate cells. Once they are selected, the cells should appear with a colored outline, and any active cell will have a slightly thicker border. Take a second to be sure you did not include any cells that are already correct, since every selected cell will change at the same time. Now that your cells are selected, move your attention to the Excel ribbon at the top and go to the Home tab. Click the Home tab once. The word Home should now look highlighted, and you will see groups like Clipboard, Font, Alignment, and Number. If you are using a smaller window, the icons might look a bit compact, but the Home label will still be visible. Almost every basic formatting option you need for numbers lives in this one tab, so you will come back here often. From there, look along the ribbon and find the Number section. It usually sits near the middle, between Alignment and Styles. Inside the Number section, you should see a little sample box that shows how the active cell is currently formatted, for example, General or Number. Right beside it, you might notice icons for currency, percentage, and increase or decrease decimal. When the Number section is in view, you know you are about to change how Excel interprets the values, not the values themselves. Next up, click the Number Format dropdown in that Number section. This is the small box that currently shows the format name, with a tiny downward arrow on the right. When you click it, a list will open with several preset formats. The dropdown might cover part of your sheet, and that is normal. As you move your mouse over each option, Excel previews the change in the sample box, so you can get a sense of how your numbers will look. After that, choose the format you want from the list. If you pick General, Excel will show normal numbers without fixed decimal places, useful for mixed data. Select Number for values like 1234.00, where you want commas and 2 decimals. Choose Currency to show a money symbol in front, like $1234.00, and it will still align nicely in a column. Pick Percentage to turn values into percents. For example, 0.25 becomes 25%, and Excel multiplies by 100 automatically. Choose Date to display values as a calendar date, such as 08/09/2026, using your regional style. As soon as you click one of these, your selected cells update right away, so you can quickly see if it looks correct. At this point, if you want more options, click More Number Formats. This opens a detailed dialog window with categories like Custom, where you can fine-tune symbols, decimal places, and date layouts. Any change you confirm here applies to the selected cells without needing another step, and you can reopen this window whenever you need to adjust the same cells again. You have now fixed the number formats for your Excel cells so they display exactly how you need. If this helped you clean up your sheet, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear Excel tips.